Dear students, today let's learn the topic speed, distance and time. What is speed? Speed of an object is the distance covered by it in a unit time. Or we have the formula for speed. It is distance divided by time. From the basic equation of speed, that is speed equal to distance by time, we can write equation for distance and time. Distance equal to speed into time and time equal to distance divided by speed. Please remember these equations to do further problems. Let's do some problems related to speed, distance and time. Aslam can walk at the speed of 2/5 km per hour. How much distance will he cover in 1/4 hours? What are the things given? The speed is given. The walking speed of Aslam is 2/5 km per hour. We need to find how much distance will Aslam cover in 1/4 hours. Let's write the things given in the question. The walking speed of Aslam equal to 2/5 km per hour. And the time is also given. Time is equal to 1/4 hours. We have to find the distance covered by Aslam in 1/4 hours. Distance covered by Aslam in 3/4 hours. We have the basic equation speed is equal to distance by time. So, what will be the distance? Distance equal to speed into time. Here the speed is 2/5 into what is the time given? 1/4. Before multiplying, we need to convert it into improper fraction. So, it will be 27/5 into 13/4. Since there is nothing to cancel, we can multiply numerator and denominator separately. So, it will be 351 divided by 20 km. Or we can write the answer in mixed fraction form or decimal form. Here I am going to write it in mixed fraction form. So, the answer is 1711/20 km. Next question. A bus covered a distance of 120 km in 2.5 hours. We need to find the speed. Distance covered by the bus equal to 120 km. And the time taken to cover this much distance is also given as 1/2 hour. Or we can write the improper form as 5/2 hours. We need to find the speed. So, speed of the bus. How to find speed of the bus? Correct. Speed is equal to distance by time. Here the distance is 120 and the time is in improper fraction. We can write 5/2. Did you remember how to solve this? Let's do. Let's rewrite this one as 120 divided by 5/2. So, we are dividing by a fraction. How to divide by a fraction? Correct. Write the first number, the dividend, like this. Then change division sign into multiplication sign. Then write the reciprocal of the fraction. What is the reciprocal of the fraction 5 by 2? It is 2 by 5. So, you can cancel between 120 and 5. You'll get the answer as 48 kilometer per hour. Remember, the unit of speed is kilometer per hour. Kilometer is the unit of distance and hour is the unit of time. Let's do one more problem. Determine the time taken when the distance is 7150 kilometer and the speed is given as 780 kilometer per hour. Find the answer in minutes. Let's write the given things. So, the distance is given as 7150 kilometer. Speed is also given, right? Yeah, speed is equal to 780 kilometer per hour. We have to find the time taken. The equation to find the time taken is distance by speed. Let's substitute 7150 by 780. We can cancel the zeros. Then it will be 715 by 78. This much hour. But look at the question. Find the answer in minutes. How to do? We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Here 715 divided by 78 hour we got as the answer. How to convert the same into minutes? Just multiply by 16. 715 by 78 into 60 minutes. Just work out the problem. You'll get the answer as 550 minutes. Dear students, here comes your homework. Exercise 8.5, question number 1, 2 and 3. Thank you.